Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture. Today we will discuss about derived data type in C. In previous session we talked about the basic data type or primitive data type or primary data type in C like int, float, character, double. And today we will move on the next level and talk about derived data type. So let's start. What is derived data types? Derived data types in C are built using basic data types and provide more structured ways to store and manage data. The primary derived data types in C are arrays, pointers, structures, unions, and functions. So derived data types in C are built using basic data types. It is built using basic data types. What is the basic data types? Basic data types mean int, float, double. It is created using basic data type and provide more structured ways to store and manage data. And it provide more structured ways to store and manage data. So primary data types are arrays. So derived data types, primary data types are in C are arrays, pointers, structured unions. So for structure we use struct keyword and for unions we use union keyword. Next. So what is array? So in derived data types, at first there is arrays. So what is arrays? So the definition is an array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in contiguous memory locations. So array is a collection of elements, same data type, same or homogeneous data type. We can also call homogeneous data type or same data type and stored in contiguous memory location. What is contiguous memory location? So let's take an example like in computer memory in data stored in sequential manner like next to each other. So this is called contiguous memory locations, like a type of memory allocation where data is stored in a sequential and uninterrupted manner in the system's memory. So the syntax is, so what is array? So array is a collection of elements and of the same data type, homogeneous data type and stored in contiguous memory location. So syntax, data type, at first you have to give the data type, then array name. You can give any name for your array, student or something else, and the size of the array. Size mean you have to give the number of element. Like there is 5 elements, so you have to give size as 5. Like this example, int numbers, and then the size of the array 5, and then this is the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is the integer element. After that, key points. So array can be 1D, means one dimensional, two dimensional, or multi-dimensional. And indexing starts from 0. What is indexing meaning in array? So indexing meaning that first element of my array example is 10. So the index number of 10 is 0. Then next 21, then 2, then 3, for 43, for 54. So indexing starts from 0. So I used to store multiple values of the same type. So at first we learned that used to stores multiple values of the same data type. That's all about array. Then pointers. So what is pointer? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. So a pointer is a variable, and pointer is also a variable, and that stores the memory address of another variable. So there in computer, for every variable which is storing in the computer memory, for every variable there is a specific memory address for every variable. So in pointer is a variable. In pointer there is stored the memory address of another variable. This is the definition of pointer. Syntax, data type, then pointer name. Example, we can say that there is int a, So integer is a int is a data type, and then a is variable equal to 10. After that, int ptr equal to address of operator a. So ptr stores the address of the variable a. This is the example or syntax. This can so uh, key points. So address of operator gets the address of the variable. The reference operator accesses the value at an address. Next, structures. So what is structure? So a structure is a user-defined data type that groups different types of data under a single name. So a structure is user-defined data type. Like user can give this data type, and it is user-defined data type, and that groups different types of data under a single name. It groups different types of data. Like in array, you have to give same type of data, but in structure, you can give different types of data, groups of different types of data in a single name. So structure is a user-defined data type that groups different types of data under a single name. Syntax of that: struct is a keyword for using structure. Then structure name, you can give any name, anything. Then a data type member one, then you have to give data type for member one, for variable one, then data type, then member two. So this is the group. Key points: group different types of data under one entity. So different types of data, we can see that member one, member two, you can give data type as int, then next float, then next character. So different types of data under one entity can contain arrays, pointer, and other structures also. Allow nested structure. It also allow nested structure. Nested structure mean structure under structure. This is called nested structure. So after that, unions. So a union is similar to the structure but shares memory among all its members, meaning only one member can hold a value at a given time. So union is similar to structure. It is also similar to structure but shares memory among all its member, meaning only one member can hold a value at a given time. So union name, data type member one, and data type member two. This is all about derived data types. So in today's lecture, we learn about derived data types. So thank you for today. For more coding tutorials, subscribe this channel, Pixel to Program. Thank you.